Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another unboxing video and I've got Birchbox and this is how it arrived through the post. Haven't even opened it up yet. I've seen a picture online but haven't paid too much attention to the actual content, so it's a surprise. The box design this month is so pretty. It is really pretty. Look at that, that is stunning. All their boxes, in all honesty, are beautiful keepsake boxes. So, as always, if you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown to tell you what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So, Birchbox is a monthly beauty box. This is a Birchbox UK box. It costs £12.95 and that includes shipping. Inside you receive 5 beauty items and they could be a mix of skincare, hair care, makeup, and makeup tools as well. All the products that are featured in the boxes tend to be more sample sizes, deluxe mini type sizes, and all products that you'll receive in your box you can go onto their website and purchase the full size and you get a discount. I think it's 10% discount if you're a subscriber. Sometimes we do get full size items but generally they are on the smaller side. Their thinking is they want to provide a beautiful box and a chance for you to sample some beauty products you might not necessarily buy, and if you like it then you can go on to buy the full size one. It's the very first subscription box I was ever subscribed to over 4 years ago. I subscribed for a whole year and then I decided to take a break, and since then I've been dipping in and out of it every couple of months. So when you sign up you will be given a unique link code so you can pass on to your friends and family, and if they use your code it'll entitle them to have a discount off their first box and you will be sent a £5 voucher so that you can use that on the Birchbox shop. I've had a few emails this month saying that some of you used my own refer a friend code, so thank you for using that, and that entitled me then to have £5 off in the Birchbox shop. You can't accumulate the £5, you just use them individually, which is fine, but normally you get sent an extra beauty freebie in your box, but I haven't received one this month. I'm led to believe that things are changing, but it seems like at the moment, I don't know, maybe it's still stuck in the middle somewhere. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Everything related to this box I will link down below, so underneath the video, see show more, click that, that will read the description and everything will be down there. So let's open it up and see what I got. So pretty, I love the colours on the packaging. That's what it looks like inside. So the theme for this month is sweet simplicity. This September it's time to strip it back and embrace a more focused approach to beauty. We're helping you to channel your own vision of sweet simplicity with 5 uncomplicated beauty goodies, including a multitasking lip and cheek tint and a sweet body treat. And then on the back then it gives you a sneak peek for October's box, and it says choose your Vitamasks. You can either have a morning eye mask or a night eye mask. I'll just show you what it looks like. So when you're a subscriber, sometimes they do this where they give you the option of what you'd prefer in the box. So we will get an email shortly and we will get the chance to choose which mask we would prefer. Now if we miss the email or if we're not bothered, then they will just send us a random one. So that is what I do like that about Birchbox. So the first item then was the item that we had a sneak peek last month, and it's an item that we got to choose a colour, and this is the Benefit Posy Tint, and this is 2 mils. It is a super tiny one. Now remember having one of these 2 years ago, something like that. It's not long after I started my channel, I think so anyway, but it looks different. So super tiny. I think the colour choices I had was this pinky one and was it a red one, and I just thought, oh, I'll go for a pink. I can't remember, but yeah, it comes out quite pink. That's pretty for the lip actually. I'm not sure about my cheeks. Can you see there? So it comes out quite pink. Whoa, you gotta be quick. That's what I remember from last time. You have to be super quick with these things. As you can tell, I've got a blob stain on my hand. For your lips, it's fine, but I'm thinking if you're doing it on your cheeks, so you just apply a bit at a time and just blend it in quickly. So this is obviously a sample size, but what's it say? This has got 4 stars on the Birchbox website, and the full size would cost £15.50. It says boasting benefits classic, easy to blend. No, No, it's not easy to blend. Smudge proof formula. This poppy pink tint adds a natural finish to your cheeks and lips that stays put all day. Seriously. Swipe onto bare skin with your fingers or buff on top of foundation with a fluffy brush for a beautiful soft boost of colour. And it says mix your tint with a liquid highlighter for a dewy radiant glow. Oh, I love that idea. I really like that idea. Yeah, I think I'd probably prefer to do that if I was putting it on my cheeks. But yeah, I've shown you my hand. No, it's there. So that's the first item. Next we got a product by Cordially, and I said it right this time. I've been saying it wrong for ages and ages. So thank you to everyone that commented. I can't remember what video it was, but it was recently where I obviously said it wrong, but I asked to help me out. So Cordially, this is Vino Pure Purifying Gel Cleanser, and this is 30 mils. I've tried quite a few products from this brand and it seems to be quite nice, really nice. What's it smell of? What's it smell of? It's just a clear gel. Oh, that's lovely. It's really nice and fresh. Whenever I see something like this, particularly this colour in cosmetics or skincare, I just think refreshing and cool on my skin. Maybe like mint is in the back of my mind somewhere, but it isn't mint. Oh, it smells gorgeous. I don't know what it is. I'm useless at describing scents, as you know, but yeah, it's lovely. So I'm really excited to try that. So the recommended retail price for the big size version is £16. And it says purify your skin in one step with this foaming gel. It banishes blemishes, unclogs pores and balances your skin without even leaving your complexion feeling tight, dry or irritated. Thanks to the soap and sulfate free formula. Goodbye harsh drying cleansers. Massage onto damp skin to create a light foam before rinsing with warm water. So there's that. Next we've got something colourful. What have we got here? John Frieda Frizzy's Weightless Wonder Feather Light Soothing Cream. Instant frizz control and smoothness without weighing down. And it's infused with aloe water, frizzy and fine hair. And we have got 25 mils there. Oop. Never tried this before. Never tried this before. I like the idea of a featherlight one. Now that my hair's a little bit shorter, although I'm wearing like a bit of an extension today, but normally it's up to about here. I can't put a lot of like serums and things on my hair because it weighs it down because it's quite thin, but I like the idea of a featherlight one. So I wonder what that will be like. So the recommended retail price for the full size version is £6.99, and it says this ultralight cream tames flyaways, controls frizz and smooths whilst infusing your strands with hydrated aloe water. Perfect for both wet and dry hair. Simply rub a pea-sized amount into your palms and work through the ends of your hair. Frizzy, fine or desert dry hair is transformed in a flash. So there's that. Next we got, oh, I can't say it, beige, I don't know. It's a French pom-pom, and this is a body cream in Rose Lychee, 25 mils. Again, really funky packaging, really pretty. So what's it smell like? I'm not keen on rose, but lychee, rose and lychee. So it's a body cream. Never had anything from this brand before. Feels nice. Feels nice. My hand. Oh, I like it. I really like it. Doesn't really smell a rose. Not to me anyway. Ooh, that is quite nice. That is quite nice. There might be this subtle rose, but no, it's the lychee, whatever lychee smells like. I can't really think of lychees, what they do smell like, but it's obviously smells like my hand now. A little bit different. So what's it say? So the full size item, it will cost you £15.90, and it says creamy, delicate and oh so smooth, this rose and lychee scented cream leaves you softer and sweeter than ever, combining the irresistible aroma of natural rose water with pampering lychee. This nourishing formula sinks in quickly to hydrate your skin without leaving a greasy film. Massage into clean skin daily for super soft limbs. This velvety formula contains 96% natural ingredients. So yeah, no, quite shocked with that. Anything rose always makes me a little bit nervous, but no, that's lovely, really nice. And then we got something else that's rose. Okay, this is a peeling mask and it's by VO. And we've got 20 mils there. That's what it looks like. Again, another brand I've never heard of or never tried before. So it's a peeling mask. I will give it a sniff in a minute, but what's it say? The recommended retail price for the full-size version is £15. Gone are the days of harsh scrubs. This quick... Oh, it's an exfoliator. A gentle botanical cellulose exfoliator. I missed that part. Okay, gone are the days of harsh scrubs. This quick fix gentle exfoliant uses botanical extracts to peel away dirt and dead skin cells to reveal a healthy glow. Massage onto dry, clean skin until you see residue lifting. in, then rinse off with warm water to reveal your refreshed, radiant complexion. Rose extracts inside this formula delivers essential fatty acids to plump skin and reduce fine lines. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? Oh, what's it smell like? It's bitty. It's all in bits on my hands. It's definitely more of a rosy smell to that one. But it's alright, it's okay, it's yeah, it's fine. I'm more particular if it was like perfumes or body lotion, something that is more long standing on my body that I'm going to be having a whiff, you know, all throughout the day. Then I steer away from rose type smells. But no, it's fine. It's a peel off exfoliator, so no. So those are all the items. I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll be back. So these are all the products in this month's Birchbox. They're all, I'd say, travel sizes, except for, I'd say, that the Benefit is a sample. That is a really teeny tiny one, but it's an alright size, I suppose, in comparison to the big one. I'm not too sure, but you only need a tiny bit, so that would last a while. But as you saw, it is a small one. It's only 2 mils. But everything else, I'd say, yeah, it's more like a travel size or a deluxe mini maybe. But no, I'm really liking this box. I'm really liking this box. I'm surprised because it's all a bit hit and miss sometimes, but no, there's some really lovely things here. First impressions, I think they're really nice. I mean, we got this cleansing gel which smells gorgeous, and then we've got this body cream which is lovely as well. We've got this rose scented exfoliating peel off gel. It's rose smelling, but yeah, it seems nice, it appears nice, the ingredients and everything and what it does seems really good, so I am excited to give it a go. Then we got this John Frieda Frizz cream, which is lightweight or featherweight. It's weightless wonder, so it's a lighter version, which is perfect for me. Then we got this Benefit tint then. I'm more likely to use as a lipstick really than on my cheeks, but I will give it a go, see what it's like. But yeah, no, I'm quite chuffed. I think it's good. I think it's yeah, I think it's a good box this month. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of Birchbox? What do you think of their box this month? But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts, or all your thoughts and opinions. Please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big like. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. And make sure you hit the notifications bell so that you never miss my videos. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.